Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, January 17th. It's 2:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about an hour before the regular session close. I'm going to bring over the time and sales here. You can see the E-mini S&P trading at 2259.50 or so. And again, the date, January 17th, it's now 3 o'clock. Pretty good day for the auto trader today. The DAX really on fire today, so we'll get to that in a moment. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, interesting day. First day after the holiday, the Martin Luther King Day yesterday. We had really solid performance on the DAX. So this is the DAX on the Superenco 6-tick. This hit its goal and didn't have any slippage. We had 3 winning trades in a row here. Actually early in the session, because this particular chart starts trading, I believe, at 3:30 a.m. So this is also an example of how volatile the DAX is. So I'm going to scrunch the chart up really tight here so we can see the equity curve. So here's our equity curve beginning at 0, and we had a pretty substantial drawdown, about $700, and that came all the way back to hit its goal. So from our equity low, which was 6:30 in the morning, this is 3 hours after trading commenced, you can see here we didn't have any drawdown. We came straight up from a $700 deficit to hit our goal. So that's actually close to 3,000 in profit on these really nice winning trades. And there was actually much more than that. Could have been had later, but we hit our goal here. So it was this string of winners here that brought us back from the dead to hit our goal for the day. So quite a spectacular performance on the DAX. Okay, next up is the 30-year Treasury bond, and this also hit its daily goal and had a tick of slippage on the end, but 2 spectacular trades here on the 30-year bond. We got filled early in the session here on our limit order on a short, and then we went long and exited at the high of this retracement here. So kind of a zigzag day here, but the auto trader catching these moves quite effectively and hitting its goal in the 30-year bonds. So really solid performance here on the bond. Okay, next up is the DAX on the 34-second line break. So this is the third chart to hit its $2,000 goal for the day, and we had 3 winners. This started trading at 9 o'clock, unlike the other earlier chart of the DAX that started trading at the open of the London session. This started trading at the open of the US session, and we had 3 winners here. So pretty impressive trades. These are limit orders again on a line break chart. So these pullbacks into space are actually the limit order getting filled within the first few bars here. So we had really excellent action here on a line break chart. And so this chart of the DAX hitting its goal. Okay, next up we have the Dow on the Superenco 6-tick, and I think we have a pretty modest goal on this one of 1,500 and a 1,200 loss limit. So this one came within 2/3 of its goal, and some pretty nice performance here. It looks like we had 3 winners and 1 loser. The loser right here at the noon hour was very small. This is also using our line break logic, and we are filtering the line break entries with the trend indicator. So that means that if we get a line break signal to go long, the bars have to be blue as well. So this being very effective on a number of charts today in the DAX, pretty good. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the BWT Precision Renko, and we had a really nice winner to open up with an equity high of about $750 or better, and then we had two losers drag us down to 430 for the day. That's all for today's video. I will be out of town the first 3 days of next week, so just warning in advance, there won't be any videos on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of next week. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.